Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about scatter plots. A scatter plot is a graph of ordered pairs that are plotted on a coordinate grid. Each point on a grid represents two quantities. The horizontal x-axis shows one quantity while the vertical y-axis shows another. You would use a scatter plot to show if one set of data can be used to make predictions about another set of data. It can also be used to determine whether the two data sets from the x and y axes have a relationship. There are three types of trends we will look at: the upward trend, downward trend, and the no trend. Let's take a closer look at a scatter plot with an upward trend. We can see that the ordered pairs go up towards the right. It is also known to have a positive correlation between the two quantities from the x-axis and the y-axis. The two sets of values move in the same direction, meaning both sets of data increase. We can see that as the years of experience increase, so does the income, which is the amount you make in a year. The more you have experience, the higher your income. Let's look at a scatter plot with a downward trend now. We can see that the ordered pairs go down towards the right. It is known to have a negative correlation between the two quantities from the x-axis and the y-axis. The two sets of values move in opposite directions, meaning one set of values increases while the other decreases. In our example, we can see that as temperature increases, the number of sweaters sold decreases. The higher the temperature, the lower the number of sweaters sold. Finally, we'll look at a scatter plot without a trend. The ordered pairs are clumped together or scattered around without a specific trend. There is no apparent relationship between the two quantities from your x and y axes. Here, in our example, we can see that there is no relationship between the number of students in a class to the average hair length of the students. In other words, we cannot predict the average hair length of students by looking at the number of students in a class.